Hey guys, have we ever made a praline? So basically, super easy. We can do it with a RoboCoupe. No need the praline grinder and all of that expensive material. So we're just gonna roast our nuts. I'm gonna use some almond and hazelnut. The good things about it, you can make with walnut, you can make it with peanuts, which is much cheaper. You can make any kind of praline you like, and obviously we're gonna make a 50% nuts, 50% sugar. So let's see what we've got as nuts here. So we've got 180 almond, and if I go 120 hazelnuts. So I've got like 300 of nuts here, and I will need 300 grams of sugar. Okay, so the nuts on a tray, 150 degrees. Those one hazelnut has been slightly roasted first, so I will add them on a tray before those are done, slightly later. So those almonds, they have already nicely colored. So let's add our hazelnut, because those one has been previously roasted. So they will finish roasting all together nicely. Right, so 300 of nuts in the oven still. They won't be long now. They have been there for a good 40 minutes at 150 degrees. So they roast from the inside to the outside. Well roasted all the way through. This is 300 grams of caster sugar. We're gonna turn it into a caramel. Alright, so hot pan. Let's put the sugar little bit by little bit. See, it start melting already. Spatula. So let's make a beautiful caramel color. Okay, the last bit of sugar. We're gonna reduce the heat a little bit. Okay, so all the sugar is in now. This is a beautiful caramel color, so we're gonna add the nuts now. So straight out of the oven, the nuts, they are still hot, into the caramel. And now we switch off the stove. Okay, before they start getting too much color, we're gonna pour it on a tray. So that will stop the cooking. There's still lots of caramel in the pan. I'm gonna try to save it. There we go. So let's get this cooled down first, and we come back to it. It smells so good. Right, so the caramel with the almond has set now. Very brittle. So we're gonna smash it into this RoboCoupe. and blend it until nice and smooth. There will still be some little bits because it's not like the proper praline grinder, but I'm telling you, that does the job properly. It's good enough. There. That shouldn't be too much. Should be alright. So the only thing is gonna be extremely noisy. Just for the start. So it's turning into a powder first, but we're gonna carry on until the oil come out of the nuts and combine everything together with the sugar. The smell coming out of this hole. Oh. You see down there? It starts going paste. Now it's changing again a bit more. But we carry on. Okay, let's see. See? It becomes a bit shiny. So that means the oil starts coming out. Alright? So we carry on. Okay guys. That's it. The praline. There you go. We're gonna put it in a box and use it whenever we want. Look, it's perfect. Let me try a little piece. There's a little bit of crunch, but this doesn't disturb anything. It's great. Can make like praline choux. That cake we're gonna make in a minute, so it's gonna be a crunchy praline popping rice with chocolate mousse. So watch out the next video. There you go guys, a beautiful praline. Easy to make, right? And much cheaper than to buy one ready-made. And at least you can balance the nuts you want, the color of your caramel. Darker it will be, stronger the taste of praline will be, the roasting of the nuts, all of that, you know. If it's darker, it'll be stronger. You can do it a bit lighter to make it something a bit more smooth and not too strong. That's it guys, enjoy.